I don't know if there's a big silver bullet out there of what the ones that are doing. The ones that are doing a good job with it have really just changed the culture of their company to where they're addressing it. They talk about it at their annual safety day. They have the toolbox talks that they're doing it. Um, some of them have implemented health days, paid health days if you need time off. Um, some companies, I mean, when I had a gentleman 2 weeks ago that said, "Hey, I need some help," one of my questions in that conversation was, "Do you need some time away? And oh, by the way, don't worry about the pay. We'll take care of your pay while you're away." Because for me to pay him to sit at home for a month and try to fix his life is less expensive than me telling him to leave and I'll find somebody to replace you that I have to hire, I have to bring through orientation, I have to get them into our safety culture. I just got to get them on the whole thing. And there's numbers all over there on the board, $25,000 to hire someone, $3,000. I mean, whatever it is, if you've got a good worker that has done a good job for your company, the good companies are helping them.